Well, on your screen right now, this is security video from the early morning of March 30th, 2022. This is outside the Malco Razorback Cinema, the moment a tornado touched down and barreled its way through parts of North Johnson and right through the heart of Springdale, out toward the Springdale Municipal Airport. Just look at the winds, and that rain being whipped around. It caused tens, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars in damage while destroying numerous homes and businesses. Well, everyone loves an underdog story, and tonight, that's exactly what we have for you. How an entire community bounced back after that devastating tornado. Thanks for joining us here at 6 o'clock. I'm Doug Warner. Well, tonight, city leaders walk us through their comeback story, including an officer who was on duty that day when the tornado hit and left behind a war zone. Here's KNWA's Dylan Nooner.
Again, just kind of the best way to describe it, it was like a war zone.
A war zone that took out a number of businesses and damaged a lot of homes. But Sergeant Matt Ray with the Springdale Police Department says the word that comes to mind now is perseverance.
Oh yeah, almost instantaneous. They were coming out, they were asking me, hey, what can we do to help? And at the time, I really didn't know what to do to let them help, but they were moving debris almost immediately after the tornado came through, checking on their neighbors.
Among the most damaged buildings from the storm was George Elementary School. Springdale Mayor Doug Sprouse says despite the devastation, students were back at school the next day, thanks to the support from the community.
But now that's all been built back and even better than it was, and so we're thankful to the community, to the businesses, to those families whose kids go to school there. You know, that's devastating for those families, and to see the classes resume the next day and just power through that was just really amazing to watch.
Despite the amazing support, the tornado caused extensive damage all over the city. But with over $500,000 in federal disaster relief and 3 years of time, Mayor Sprouse says Springdale today is better than ever.
You know, it's been 3 years, and we hear very little about any residual issues that we need to look at or need to be dealing with. So it's been, you know, everyone through over time and with the help of their neighbors and a lot of nonprofits here in town that also stepped up and helped.
As we look back on the disaster from 3 years ago, Mayor Sprouse says it's important to learn from the past as we enter severe weather season.
So always be alert and be ready, and the city, our first responders, the city of Springdale will always be there to support and help any way we legally can, but know that the community is here too.